Twitch API is related to changing the font on your LMS or in Helix. Either way, I don't get the connection. So, hello, Hugh. How are you doing today? What I want to do is I want to listen to events from Twitch. And if you redeem the channel point reward for like changing the Helix API, I then catch that, figure out what the theme you want to switch it into, automatically update the config file, and then restart or refresh Helix behind the scenes, which would then update the theme for me just real time without me having to do anything. So that's how it all works. Okay, so that didn't work. Okay, so it is redirecting me, but it's giving me an error, mismatch, redirect error. Okay, do I need to put on... I mean, doesn't want it to be like local? Okay, let's try this. In Rust, you have a trailing slash in your redirect URL. Ooh, wait, do I? I may not be trying to do that. Let me try having a trailing slash in my env file and then also... I do not. Let's put a slash in there, save. Let's try this without refreshing. Ooh, okay, that worked. That did indeed work. Okay, so paste in the URL, paste in that. There we go. Okay, so it did not crash. So excellent. We now have a user token. All that work. Thank you, WTF, for that. Now what? What was the point of all that? The entire point was to get the user token. What's LMS? LMS is a learning management system. Yeah, thank you for that, Hugh. And I've created, this is the LMS that I created before. This is all written in Rust and U.RS as a web application. And then I have some courses for sale on it. Okay. So client get channel from login. Which I have token await. Now, do I have to log in as, I wonder if I have to log in as myself, or if I have to log in, because I'm hoping I can log in as like a bot, the bot I use. But I guess the bot can't get it unless the bot is an admin. Wait, did I make the bot a mod? I may have. Can I see a list of my mods? No, I never modded. Okay, so I need to mod Berserkerbot. Oh, already a moderator. Okay, so it's just not logged in. Okay, so I should be able to... I guess we can do this as a test. Get channel from login. And that should look at... okay, so let's see, client. Oh, so I'm going to pass in this token that I get, the user token, every time I try to do something. Okay, got it. So if I want to say, we have user token, we have our Helix client. I want to do a Helix client get client, retrieve a reference, get channel from login. Okay, get user from login, get user from ID, get channel from login, get channel from ID. Get follow streams. Okay, get. Get all customer rewards. Okay, so these are all the customer rewards we created. And those are snippets now. Wait a second. Where am I going to go to get the thing? Is there like a pub sub? Helix is an API that lets one access Twitch background data. I guess we can say it that way. Yeah, it basically Twitch has an API named Helix that allows you to just do a lot of things, like automate all the stuff that you can normally do with like just by clicking around. You can also do through the API. Plus more. Okay, do you have any examples? I want, okay, event sub. This does not feel like a minimal example. Get event sub subscriptions. Okay, so I want get event sub subscriptions. Can I do that? Uh-oh. Huh. Okay. Do I need a feature? I do. Event sub enables deserialized structs for event sub. So I probably need event sub. Nope, 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 nope. I want Twitch. Is this Twitch API? It is Twitch API. Event sub. I wonder if I want pub sub either. Pub sub is deprecated and got replaced with event sub. Okay, that's good to know. So get event sub subscriptions. Wait, what do you want? You want... Okay, event sub subscriptions. Use create event sub subscription to subscribe to an event according to event sub guide. Available and create features Helix. Okay, so I've got those two. Okay, so I want to use this. Create event sub subscription request. Create event. Okay, new. Create request. Okay, so we have our body, client ID. So you want a body. Oh, so this becomes a request body. So this is the client, which I don't have. Okay, hold on. How do I use this? Create a builder for building. Call to set the values of fields. Finally call build. Okay, so that might be better. So let's do builder. Okay, so yeah, builder. So create an event sub builder. Huh, I can't find that. Create an event sub subscription request. Subscription request. Pub function builder, which doesn't take anything in. So Twitch, the Helix is the name of the Twitch API. So if you want to write code to use the Twitch API, it is Helix. So it's not related to the Rust editor Helix. They just happen to be named the same things. Okay, well, thank you for answering some questions today. Yeah, so that it gets really confusing because like, yeah, the editor is Helix. Also, yeah, the API is Helix that we're using. Yay. Why? Okay, so why can't I find you? No function or associated item named builder in the current scope. But like, I can't add you in, so it's not a trait that's missing. I don't think it's a trait that's missing. Am I missing event subscription? So Twitch API. Not that. Okay. So yeah, new is the only one I have from here. I have default, no builder though, which is unfortunate. And crate for Rust is like apt on Linux or pip for Python, a package feature manager, and installer. Yeah, so crate is like a library. So it's a third party library. I can pull it in. So Cargo is the package manager, and it then I can do like cargo add and then the name of a crate, and then it pulls that in. Which is really nice. I prefer languages that have package managers built in. I would really love if like they told me what I needed to have this builder because like that's not helpful. I have okay, so wait. Helix and event sub for Twitch API. Okay, Helix and event sub. Yeah, Helix and event sub. I have those two features. So one would think that's all I need. I could just try reloading the LSP again. You don't like package managers? I like to download the .zip file and extract it and move the files and folders to your application and run it. I mean, that's certainly a possibility, but I like having the package managers there because it's far too easy to sort of like mess things up when we're doing that. And I like to remove like any kind of my own like doing stuff as part of it because like humans are the problem, right? So like the more we can remove us from the equation, the less problems we'll have. Vasily, hello. How are you doing today? What do I think about Leptos? Do I plan on create videos about this framework? We did an exploration on Leptos a short while back. I think no longer a short while back. We did it in October of last year, and I really liked it. I liked it a lot. I think I want to wait a little bit before I do something. The order of things that I want to build in probably is going to be Axum, then maybe you, and then maybe Leptos. But then like there's a lot of like unknowns in like which direction we go. Like what do we make? So eventually, package managers seem to take care of dependencies automatically. Yes, I mean that's like the main reason to use them is that they will take care of dependencies automatically, and you can use them to update and audit the dependencies for security vulnerabilities, which is huge. So okay, all I can do is new. We'll have to mutate this. This creates a request for me. Okay, so actually, okay, hold on. Let's do it the other way. So subscription, and I want the Helix client again. Okay, get event sub subscriptions. Wait, this only gets subscriptions, right? Okay, where is this actually? Get event sub. Okay. I mean, that's okay. Create event sub subscription. Ooh, I don't see like a builder, like a new or something else for that. So I don't think I'm supposed to get it through here. Where was that function from again? Wait a second. I don't even see this as a function. Okay, so a method, get event sub subscriptions. Get event sub. This is a module. So wait, do I need to create an event sub subscription first? Create event sub subscription. Okay, so let's try that one. Create event sub. This one, okay. Then we want a subscription, which is an event subscription, okay. Okay, so this needs to be its own thing altogether. Okay, so let's just change the name of this to be something. So our subscription that we want to create is going to be an event subscription. What are you? You're a trait. Okay, that's not what I want then. Right? Oh, you are a trait. Okay, so you just need to be something that implements it. What? Oh, it's going to be one of these. Okay, so channel points, custom reward, add, redemption. Okay, what was it called again? Sends a notification when a viewer has redeemed a custom and channel point reward on a specified channel. So it is channel point, custom reward, redemption ad. Channel points, custom reward, redemption ad, V1. This one. So channel points, custom reward, redemption ad, V1. It's a struct. And there's a builder. Okay. So this is going to be the channel point redemption. So channel point redemption add v1. Oh, ad break just started. Sorry for the lack of heads up. Again, the builder I can't find in there. Okay, broadcaster user ID. Okay, so I can use broadcaster user ID. So I need to get that out of here. You need to be what? A string? Probably a string. Which is going to be broadcaster user ID. Good, not that one. I want this one. Let's just get rid of you. Actually, let me just comment you out. Okay, so the user ID, I'm guessing you need to be a string of some kind. Input into, okay, so probably a string. So, broadcaster user ID. That gives me a channel points. Okay, so that's good. So now you become a channel point redemption. You want, okay, so we have our subscription, and then next is transport. Create event. Okay, so create event. Okay, so we have a webhook or a WebSocket. So I'm going to need a WebSocket set up for this. Okay, we need to create a WebSocket first. WebSocket transport. Okay. Now, do they have a create one? Feels like they have a lot of methods for this. Like create. Oh, no. Okay. So we don't. So we have to do this here. Oh, and I don't know how to create that. Okay. All right. They had their examples. I don't want Twitch auth to. I want the examples from here. Event sub WebSocket. Hey, they use air. Oh, so I need to create a WebSocket client. Wait. I need to. Oh, I need to pull in Tungstenite. Oh, okay. That's a thing. That's definitely a thing. All right. WebSocket. Okay, so we create a WebSocket client struct that has all the fun stuff in it. Yeah, this library seems very manual. It does, doesn't it? Connect to the WebSocket and return the stream. Then there's the process message, welcome. Okay. Cool. Okay. So probably will work, but we now need to get Tokyo Tungstenite. So basically, we need to create a WebSocket. And I think we'll do this out here. So all right, so we open up our WebSocket and we're going to need this a struct here. We're going to have a bunch of things that are going here and we'll add them in as we need them. So we can see like why we need them and so on and so forth. This doesn't have any derives, so that's going to be interesting. And then we immediately impl on WebSocket client. And so they're suggesting a pub async function connect, which is going to take in interesting. Okay. They don't have a new or anything. I'm going to do a new. Now, when I connect, they don't think we need mutable access. Just do self. And we're going to turn an error result. And let's see. Okay, there. This is going to be a Tokyo Tungstenite WebSocket stream. That's fun. Let's pull that in. I mean, I think we'll be fine. Okay, so it's going to be a WebSocket stream that has a maybe TLS stream. Maybe TLS stream. And inside of that is a TCP stream. Okay, so the very first thing we do, okay, we create a config with the WebSocket config. Okay. Do you have like a builder? No. So you're suggesting, okay, they're suggesting max write buffer size to be 2048. I don't have any like knowledge about what it should be or not, so we're just going to go with what they say for right now. Max message size is, so it's going to be a sum. Bit shifting, huh? 64 bit shift left 20. Okay. Max frame size. You know, I'm kind of wondering, do we really need these? After we're done with this, I want to go back and just have it be default. Except unmasked frames false. And then everything else is going to be interesting. Tungstenite. Protocol WebSocket config. Okay, so WebSocket config default. Okay, so that gives us a config. Then we want to, okay, connect async with config. We're going to need a connect URL in here. Which this is probably going to be some kind of string. Okay, so if we have that, so let destructure out our socket. Connect async with config. We have our connect URL. We have the sum config. And then we have false, which disabled Nagel. I don't know what that is. Okay, so we'll await you. Okay, so now we have our WebSocket stream, and then we're returning that. Which your mismatch types, have similar names but are distinct types. So I pulled the wrong ones. So this is WebSocket stream, maybe TLS stream. Oh, fun. Okay. So can I have it like do it correctly for me? Okay, inserted explicit type. So it's this one. Okay, now if I undo you, maybe a little bit too much. I wanted to undo starting from here. There we go. Now we're happier. So now I can create my WebSocket client with a connect URL. I need to know what a connect URL is. Wait. Is there no, okay. Does this library not tell me what this connect URL is going to be? No, this doesn't tell me what connect URL is. Switch event sub WebSocket URL. Where do I get that? Why do I have to give that up? Isn't this like a constant for Twitch's API? I mean, is okay, let's go find it. Oh, I thought that the top level would have the URL that we want to go into. Wait, where do they get their URL? Oh, because this library probably uses. No? Okay, wait. I don't see where that's. It's already a static and a crate. Okay, nice. I don't know why they would they would use that. Like, this. Okay, pub static, which is from. Oh, got it. I accidentally got out of the what is it called? The examples and went into here. So it's just Twitch event sub WebSocket URL. So I don't actually need this to be in here. Right? What are you? Found a struct one cell sync lazy request URL. Somewhere else they change what it is set to. Oh, okay, got it. Can I get something out of it? I can like toString it. I don't know if that's right. I think the URL as it is fine. So actually, you know what? I don't think I need this connection at all. Okay, so you're fine, you're fine, you're fine, you're fine. Okay, so instead of this, that we're going to do you. The trait into client request is not satisfied. Talgobed, hello. How are you doing today? We're trying to create a CLI app that listens for pubs like events like the basically Twitch channel point redemptions, which is been it's been a thing today. Okay, so I have a lazy request URL. Okay, and you can use request URL, right? But it's this one cell sync lazy. Do I clone or just deref this out? Is it deref that I want? Yeah, so I just deref this out, which I think I can just do a little bit easier with a deref like that. Oh no, I can't. Okay, so I have to actually deref. Okay, fine. We deref you. We have our config, we do that. Okay, so now I can connect now. Okay, so we can see. Oh, so in run, we self-connect it. Okay, so I also need run here. Run's gonna be a mute. Oh, and this takes ownership of self? Interesting. Interesting choice. We're gonna have a result which returns nothing. Okay, so we're gonna have a mute s equals self. What? What are they doing with s? Okay, it's a stream. So on let mute stream equals self.connect. We'll await and question mark you. Then we create an infinite loop because we love infinite loops. And we use the Tokyo select macro. Waits on multiple concurrent branches, returning the first one. Okay, cool. So select. And so we have some message. Oh, I need the futures crate. You love it when docs have single letter variables. I know, it's the best, isn't it? Okay, I need the futures crate. All right, ad break starts in a little bit less than 50 seconds. Okay, so our sum message equals futures. Uh-oh. Why aren't you helping me? Added. Oh, error. That's why. in connect. Did I screw this up? I feel like that's what happened. That's what happened. Okay, so in loop, we have a Tokyo select. You want that to be parentheses. So we can have some message. Still not getting any help. That's never a good sign. I don't see that as a feature that I need. Okay, so I don't know what this span really is. Oh, it's tracing info span. I don't care about that. I'm not doing tracing here. Let our other message, yay, smaller message, equals, okay, so we're matching message. Okay, so we're overwriting the message. So match message. Okay, so we have an error in which something we have an error. Wait, what? Now I'm confused. What is this doing? What is going on here? So we have loop, some futures stream message. Okay, so we have let message equals match message. If it's an error, I get, okay, I return a new error. I handle if it is an error. So yeah, okay, so I handle if it is an error. And we just do, do I just try to connect again? Okay, so I just try to connect again. That's all that happens. And then I continue. Otherwise, I return the message. I return the message out. That's what happens. I'm getting the message out. And so I'm using this message. So, okay, so if you're an error, okay, so if you're specifically a tungstenite, right, it's the same problem. Tungstenite error protocol tungstenite error protocol error reset without closing handshake. So if you're this specific error, I want to stream connect. And then we'll go ahead and question mark you in the case that you fail. And then we continue like that. Otherwise, if you're here, we don't care what you are. You're probably you're just the message. So I want to do